In today's video, I'll be showing you how to get a free share on Trading 212. Now, the first thing you want to do is open up Trading 212, and for this video, I'll just be using the Trading 212 website. However, you can also use the app as the process is pretty much the same. Now, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and click on this right here, and that will take us to this page. If you're on the mobile app, you'll probably find this in the bottom right corner. From there, we'll see an option that says get free shares, and we just want to click on that. It tells us that we can get free shares worth up to £100 for each friend that we invite to Trading 212. And it says that our friends get free shares too. Now, at this moment in time, the promotion's currently ended. However, considering this is still on their website and in the app, I'm assuming that they will start this up again soon at some point. So what I'd recommend that you do is keep an eye out for when this promotion starts again. And once it does, we can follow these steps to actually get our shares. So we first have to copy our Trading 212 referral link, which we can get from this blue button right here. And from there, if a friend signs up using our referral link and verifies their account and funds their account with some money, we will both receive shares on Trading 212. So that's how you can get a free share on Trading 212. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.